I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, Amber, how can a virtual course be the same as an in-person lesson? Well, the answer is it's not really. But in so many ways, it is better, guys. I am not even kidding. I mean, we're talking really good visuals that you can repeat over and over again. If you get confused when you're in the middle of a project, you don't have to wait till next lesson for me to come and show you it again. You can just pull up your video and there it is. But if you really want to get an idea of what it is like to take the Intro to Sewing course with me, then just watch this.
And you can see this whole process once you get used to it, and you actually, get comfortable, and cut out 2 squares, either 4 or 5 inches on one side. Here's another variation that you could do though. In this case, we're using a small piece of fabric, so I can pinch the fabric if I feel like I have more control. Let's see that run through quick all the way. We remove the arm in order to access the bobbin case, okay? When the pin reaches the presser foot, you're going to stop and pull it out, and then you're going to keep sewing until you're about a seam allowances away from the edge. The other common seam allowances that you're going to find are 3/8 of an inch and 1/2 inch. Also on your throat plate, look for screws. It might not look exactly like this. There might be only one screw. If you have a magnetic throat plate, there might be pretty, guys. Oh, I love it. Okay, so once you have all your corners.
What do you guys think? Isn't that amazing? I try to give you such great visuals, and I show you everything on 3 different sewing machines. From where to put your hands, how to change your needles, your presser feet, how to sew around corners. By the time you're done with this course, you are going to be completely set up, guys, to start sewing. And best of all, you get everything included in the Intro to Sewing course for 1 full year. That means after you take the course, which really only takes a few weeks, then you have a full year to go and reference those videos back. So as you start sewing, as you start doing your projects, you have a chance to, when you get a knot or you get confused about your threading, go back to your video and reference it, and then you're all good. So what are you doing here watching this video? Go to sewingbyamber.com and enroll today in the Intro to Sewing course. I will see you there.